The owl is sitting on a tree branch. The owl has big, round eyes and soft white feathers. Beside the owl, there is a dream catcher hanging from the branch, moving gently in the breeze. The owl gazes at the dream catcher, as if guarding the dreams that pass through its delicate web.
Talk about school in English 20 easy school questions and answers.
Where do you go to school? I go to a public school in the city.
What grade is Claire in? Claire is in 8th grade.
Does Oscar like his school? Yes, Oscar likes his school very much.
Who is your favorite teacher? My favorite teacher is my English teacher.
What time does school start? School starts at 8 o'clock.
What subjects do you study at school? I study math, English, science, and history.
Do you have homework every day? Yes, I have homework every day.
Is Claire in high school or primary school? Claire is in high school.
What is Oscar's favorite subject? Oscar's favorite subject is science.
Do you go to school by bus or on foot? I go to school on foot.
What do you do during lunch break? I eat and talk with my friends.
Do you wear a school uniform? Yes, we wear a school uniform.
Is your school big or small? My school is big and has many classrooms.
What time do you finish school? I finish school at 3 p.m.
Does Oscar have a math exam tomorrow? Yes, he has a math exam tomorrow.
Does Claire go to the same school as Oscar? No, Claire goes to a different school.
Do you have English class today? Yes, I have English class today.
What do you do after school? I go home and do my homework.
How many students are in your class? There are 25 students in my class.
Do you enjoy school? Yes, I enjoy learning and seeing my friends.
Basic English sentences for weather and seasons. Speak like a native. Questions and answers. What is the weather like today? It is sunny. What season is it now? It is summer. Is it raining outside? No, it is not raining. What do you wear in winter? I wear a coat. Does Paul like cold weather? Yes, he does. What is Nancy's favorite season? Her favorite season is spring. Is it snowing today? No, it is not snowing. How is the weather in autumn? It is cool and windy. Do you need an umbrella? Yes, I need an umbrella. What do you see in the sky on a sunny day? I see the sun. What do you wear in summer? I wear shorts and a t-shirt. Is it hot or cold today? It is hot today. What does Paul do on a rainy day? He reads a book. What happens in spring? Flowers bloom. What season comes after winter? Spring comes after winter. Does Nancy like hot weather? No, she does not. What do you wear when it is raining? I wear a raincoat. What is the weather like in winter? It is cold and snowy. What does Nancy do in summer? She goes swimming. What is Paul's favorite season? His favorite season is autumn.
Easy English at the market. 20 real-life questions and answers at one level. Where is the market? It's next to the bank. What do you want to buy? I want to buy some apples. How much is the bread? It is $1. Do you have eggs? Yes, we do. Can I pay with cash? Yes, you can. What does Douglas want? Douglas wants bananas. What time does the market open? It opens at 8 a.m. What time does the market close? It closes at 7 p.m. Is this cheese fresh? Yes, it is very fresh. Where can I find milk? It's in the fridge section. Does Linda need help? Yes, she needs a shopping bag. Is the watermelon sweet? Yes, it is sweet and juicy. How many apples do you want? I want 6 apples, please. Do you sell water? Yes, we have cold water. How much is this tomato? It's 50 cents. Can I try the grapes? Yes, please try them. Is that your shopping cart? Yes, it is mine. Do you have a shopping list? Yes, here it is. Is Linda buying meat? No, she is buying vegetables. Where is the cashier? The cashier is near the door.
Learn English at School. 20 easy questions and answers for beginners. Where does Pascal go to school? Pascal goes to Green Hill High School. What time does school start? School starts at 8 o'clock. Who is Elizabeth's teacher? Her teacher is Mr. Smith. What subject does Pascal like? He likes history. Is Elizabeth in the classroom now? Yes, she is. Do you have English class today? Yes, I do. Where is the school library? It's next to the science lab. What do students do in the classroom? They study and listen to the teacher. Does Pascal bring his lunch to school? Yes, he brings a sandwich and juice. Is there a computer in the classroom? Yes, there is one computer. What's your favorite subject? My favorite subject is math. Is Elizabeth a good student? Yes, she studies very hard. What color is the classroom board? It is green. Do you write in your notebook every day? Yes, I do. Who is the principal of the school? Mr. Johnson is the principal. Does Pascal sit near the window? Yes, he does. What do you do after school? I do my homework and play games. Do students wear uniforms at school? Yes, they wear blue uniforms. What's inside your school bag? I have books, pencils, and a ruler. Is your classroom big or small? It is big and bright.